In this video, I'm going to show you how to make bourbon buffalo chicken wings. Now we're going to get started by setting our barbecue up. So I'm going to open the lid and I'll remove the cooking grate. Then I'll take out one of the charcoal baskets. Then I'll get a couple of fire lighters down. I'll light them up. Then you want to get a full charcoal chimney worth of lump charcoal or briquettes on top of that. And while our briquettes are catching light, we're going to get started on our chicken wings. I'm going to be using some full wings for this recipe, but if you wanted to use some V-wings, wingettes or drumettes, that's completely up to you. Now the majority of our flavor is going to be coming from the bourbon buffalo sauce we'll be making shortly. But for now, I just want to give them a nice base coat in flavor. I'm just going to hit them with our garlic goals rub, but if you've got another favorite rub, go ahead and use that. And once your briquettes are ready, we'll take out the charcoal chimney. Then you want to get both your charcoal baskets together in the middle of the charcoal grate. Then you want to fill them up with your briquettes. You want to make sure both baskets are nice and even. Then we'll shut our lid, open up our vents, and let our barbecue preheat for a few minutes. Then after a few minutes, we'll open our lid. Then I'll get a chunk of smoking wood on. I'm just going with a little chunk of nectarine. Then we'll get our cooking grate back on, and then we'll get our chicken wings around the outside of our charcoal baskets. Then we'll shut our lid and let them cook away. And now our chicken wings are on. We're looking at around a 30-minute cook. I'm going to rotate that cooking grate every 10 minutes or so, just so we get a nice even cook across our chicken wings. And at the end of the cook, I want them to be nice and crispy, but I also want them to be at least 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius internally. So while they're cooking away, we're going to get started on our bourbon buffalo sauce. So into a small pot, you want to get your favorite buffalo sauce. I'm just going to be using some Frank's Red Hot. This is a 150ml bottle. To that, you want to add 1 shot of your favorite bourbon, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a big tablespoon worth of butter, then get that on medium heat, bring it up to a simmer, stir it often, and that'll be good to go after around 10 minutes. And now our chicken wings are done. I'm going to get them out and into a bowl. Then I'll pour over our bourbon buffalo sauce. Then give your wings a good mix in that sauce. Let them cool down for a few minutes, and then it's time to get stuck into them. Now on its own, that buffalo sauce is already fantastic, but by adding that bourbon and those couple of other extra ingredients just really levels it up. So these wings are super tasty. Definitely give these a try, and don't be afraid to add more bourbon if you wanted more of a stronger bourbon flavor. I'll put the recipe for these wings and everything else you need to know down in the video description. If you enjoyed the video and don't want to miss our next ones, make sure you've subscribed to the channel. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.